Hello kids. In this video we will press A, B, C, D, E, F. Kids, let's learn colors name. Pink color, green, sky blue, light green, red, brown, blue, black, orange, yellow, violet, and pink color, yellow color, A, A, B, B, red color, A, if for apple, A, if for aunt, B, if for bat, B, if for ball, blue color, C, C for cat, D, D for duck, black color, C, C for car, E, E for dog, pink color, E, E for eagle, F, F for fox, green color, E, E for elephant, F, F for fox. Let's read again. A, if for aunt, B, if for bat, C, C for cat, D, E for dog, E, E for elephant, F, F for fish. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.